today is day 20 of writing, and we've been focusing on fables. So let's review some things that we've done so far. First of all, what is a fable? The elements that make up a fable. First of all, it's a fiction story, it's a short story. The setting is usually outside. The animal characters, they have qualities that are a lot like people, they act a lot like people, and there's usually a moral or a message to the story, something that us as readers can take away from it, even though we're not animals. All right, so today, yesterday we focused, or on Friday we focused on figuring out which moral we wanted. Today we're going to focus on the characters that we want to make up our story. So to have a keep trying, there's no animals in our story. An okay job is that there's only one animal in the story, right? Because we said there's usually two or three. And then a good job would be that two animals are in your story, and a great job would be two personified animals. So personified animals, we're going to talk more about that tomorrow, what that looks like. Today, we just want to make sure that we have at least two characters in our story. Okay, so here's our character planning sheet, and I'm just going to go back to it being the board. So this is your job today. This is what you're going to do today as a writer. This is it. You are going to decide on what characters you want in your story. You're also going to decide who is the hero, like who's like the awesome person, and who is the villain, like who's like the really bad person, or like the sneaky person, or the sly person. Okay, so I'm going to pick my two characters. So I'm going to do the dog, and I'm going to do a snake. All right, I'm going to decide who is the hero by putting a star on them. Right, and then it kind of like goes behind, and that's okay. And I'm going to decide who's the villain by putting an X. So today, as writers, we went ahead and we decided who were going to be our characters in the story, and who is going to be the hero, and who is going to be the villain. That is all that we are doing today as writers. So here's what is going to happen. In order for you to complete this part of your slide deck, you're going to go back to your MOPEG writing classroom. You're going to go back to this Fable slide deck. This is the same one that you worked on Friday. On Friday, you turned it in. I checked it, and then I turned it back over to you. I returned it. So you should be able to still access your slide deck through here. All right, so have fun, and I cannot wait to hear or figure out what characters you're choosing for your story.